Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will gonna show how to install Arch Linux. So first of all, boot your bootable USB or DVD drive. So we are installing the Arch Linux 5.8.12 in our system. So, first of all, update your Arch Linux using this command. Now install the wget using this command. Now we have to download the ArchFi using this command. ArchFi is a simple bash script wizard to install Arch Linux after we have booted on the official Arch Linux. Now install the script using this command. Now in the main menu, first step is to select your language. Now select your keyboard layout. Now select your disk partition, and here I am going with DOS. Select your hard disk. Select yes. Now it is creating the partitions. Now go back. And select the last option in the main menu, select partitions and install. Now select the partition. Select yes. Now select format device. Now here you have to choose the file system. I am select the ext4. Now press any key. Now it is creating the swap partition. Now here again you have to choose the file system. And I am going with btrfs. Now mount the installer config files. Now here you have to install Arch Linux. Here you have to select the kernel. And I am going with custom kernel Linux Zen. Now select the Config Arch Linux option in Install menu. And here, first of all, you have to set the hostname. Now select the keyboard layout. Now select your locale. Now you have to set your time zone. Now set your root password. Now you have to select the Generate FS tab option in this menu. Now select the bootloader and install the grub in your system. Now you have to choose the extras option here and install these services in the system. Now you have to select the ArchDie option, which is a script to install full desktop without any error. Select the Yes option. Now install and rub ArchDie. Now here you can install the new packages or update existing one. Now go back and select the install option in the main menu. Now you have to install the console generic packages in your system. You can select the packages according to your need. Now install the compression tools. Now install the network tools according to your need. Now install the web browser if you want, because these are terminal-based browser. If you want to install the recovery tools, install it or leave it. Now select the system option in the install menu. Install the kernel here. Now install the services. Now go to the File System and Install menu. And here you have to choose the services you want to install. Now in Sound option, you have to install the Sounds plugins. Now go to the Printer option if you want to install the printer drives. Now go to the Xorg and install it. Now install the font in your system. Now install the input drivers. And now here you have to install the video drivers. Now go back and select the desktop environment option in install menu. Now select your favorite desktop environment. I select the XFCE desktop environment. Go back and here you have to select the display manager. Here you have to install the display manager. You can install any desktop manager here. But I am going with Light DM Display Manager. Now go back and choose Applications option. In the application menu, you can install the application which you want to install. If you want to install the web browser, you can install any browser here. I am installing a Firefox browser. If you want to install torrent or email application, you can install it. In multimedia, you can install the different application. Select the application which you want to install. Now in graphic, you can install any application, what you want, which is here. Now in Dev, if you want any application, install it. Now in the system, here you can install the system application. Now here select the application, what you want to install. Now go back. And in the main menu select the config. Now here first you have to configure bash file. Now if you want to set your firewall, you can configure it. Now in accounts, you have to create a normal user. Set the password for new user. Now if you want to give the sudo privilege to new user, you have to add the user in sudoers file. Now if you want to edit other config files, you can configure it according to your need. If you do not, just leave it. Now go back. Now exit from main menu. Now again go back. Now select the unmount option here. Go back. Now select the reboot and hit enter. Select yes. Now your Arch Linux is booting up. So this is the login screen in XFCE desktop environment. And this is the Arch Linux with XFCE desktop environment. So that is it. This is the way how to install Arch Linux step by step using UEFI script. Thank you for watching this video. And make sure to subscribe my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you very much, see you in next video.